Hello guys, my name is Aria and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, I show you the beautiful of Iran and Iranian food. Today, we want to go to the suburb in Khuzestan called Mamzard. Join to me and watch this video unto the end. Thank you. This is a Konar tree. People years ago, 100 years ago, used this leaf and put these leaves and use it like a shampoo, and it's very beautiful tree and it's a local tree of Khuzestan, especially Shushtar. Look at this, and this Konar, but neither grows much. Look at this view. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is a very beautiful place. I hope you see you here, and please like this video and subscribe the channel and send it with your friends. Watching the beautiful and enjoy it. Thank you and bye.